Today, I'm going to introduce a tool that helps you edit multiple short videos simultaneously for posting on various platforms. First, let's look at the video management section of the software. Next, download a batch of videos from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Douyin, etc. You can download by keyword, hashtag, etc. Video download history. You can create a script to generate multiple different videos from a single video simultaneously. Or choose individual basic edits. Audio editing. Layout-related edits. You can add content such as logos and text to your videos. Additionally, you can choose where it appears. Adjust video color. In addition, many other features are currently being updated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.